Hi, my name is Ramon Beetham, and I'm the proud owner of Razor Construction. We specialize in renovations, extensions, decks, and fences. I've been building for close to 6 years now. My goal is always to start my own company. I like the building process of construction. Obviously, you have an idea, and then we kind of work towards making that a dream come true for a lot of customers. We cover the wider Auckland region, and anything from North Shore to South Auckland. The most important values to us are communication, planning, and delivering a great quality service. The biggest part of renovating is obviously planning. But once we kind of catch up for a consultation, we'll meet up, put a plan together, and just kind of detail a scope of work. You know, what stuff you want us to get done for you, and then obviously work within your budget. We love a challenge. We've just completed 4 bathrooms in a row, and you can understand how stressful that can be if anyone's watched the block. But that's why we love what we do, from the planning stage to getting the work done to delivering a good quality service for our clients. So if you've got a renovation you've been holding off for a while, give us a call. Our process is very easy. We plan, we commit, we deliver.